Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Snapchat sounds. Some of you do call it Snapchat audio. So audios like this, I'm going to show you how you can make them. So when you post a video you can just add any of them, and this one something like this. So when you post a video and then you add it in your video. So let's come back and then let's open our Snapchat once again, and let's choose a video we want to make a sound of, or here you can even record your own voice. Let's say you think you want to make the sound by yourself, you can record yourself, but then if you want to extract the sound of a video too, you can do that. So I think I like this video. I think it's funny to me. So you have to name the sound. So the guy was talking about him being a DB. So let's name it DB, and then let's make the sound public. If you make it private and then you post it on your story and somebody likes the sound, the person can't add the sound to his favorites. So should, in case the person is posting something and want to add the sound, the person is not going to get access to something like that. So let's add a name. So let's add Tafari. So now
50 city. Oh yeah, the edge, man. Yeah, me a DB. 50 city. Oh yeah, the edge, man. Yeah, me a DB. Me a DB. Me a DB. We a DB. Yeah, DB.
So that's it. So you save the sound. You can trim it as well. So at the end you see I was pushing it here and there. You can trim it too as well, and then it's being saved. So when you come to your my favorite, you should see the DB here.
50 city. Oh yeah, the edge, man. Yeah, me a DB.
So you have it here. So that's it. That's how you can create sounds or audios on Snapchat that you can add to your videos and then stories on there. So that's it for the video. Kindly do all to like and then subscribe to our channel.